Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to quick install the Helldivers 2 mod manager. All you gotta do is head over to Nexus Mods, log in, and then look up HD2ModManager. The HD2ModManager is a self-contained mod manager, and you can install it anywhere on your computer. It really doesn't matter. Go over here, click the manual download button, and then click the slow download because that's the free version. I'm going to put it in my downloads folder, and I'm going to just save it as HD2ModManager. Once you got it downloaded, open up your file browser, and then right-click and extract it to a file of the same name. Inside of this file, you will find a file called Helldivers 2 Mod Manager. It's an executable application. Go ahead and double-click on it. This is your mod manager. You can put it literally anywhere on your computer. You can put it on a folder in the desktop. You can put it on your secondary drive, wherever. It doesn't matter. The one thing that does matter is you have to click Settings, and you have to tell it where your game is installed. Click these three dots here on the right-hand side. It'll pop open a file browser asking you where that location is. To tell it where it is, the easy way, open up Steam where you have Helldivers 2 installed, right-click it, go to Manage, Browse Local Files. Here at the top of the file browser, click on the top here. It'll give you the file path, copy it, close these two windows, and then here in the window searching for Helldivers 2, paste it, hit Enter, and click Select Folder. That is the folder where your Helldivers 2 is installed. Click OK. Now, if you have a mod to install, all you have to do is click Add, find it. I'm going to install mine in the Helldivers 2 modding folder right here. Click it, and then it'll get added to there. Click Deploy, and then click Launch Helldivers 2. If that's all you need, you can go grab your mods and have happy Helldiving. Otherwise, I'm going to grab some mods just to show you how it works. So the trick with this is to make sure that you know when the mod was most recently updated, because some of these, like this one here, this popular Star Wars ships mod, hasn't been updated in 11 months and it will crash your game, so don't download that one. But ones like this Hellmarine one has been updated recently, and I do know that it works. So this one's going to replace some armor models with some Helldivers meets Space Marine designs. So we're just going to go to Manual Download. And here under the files, we're going to manually download the black and the gray version of this particular armor. It does say if you've already have other mods installed to change the name from patch 0 to patch 01 or patch 02. So we're going to go to manual download. We don't have to worry about that other instructions since I've got nothing else installed right now. I'm going to put this in a folder called the mods. We're going to hit save, and then we're going to go back to files, and then we're going to download the gray version as well, just to make it easier to identify and find these really quickly. Same thing, going to download and install it into a folder called the mods. And then once those are done downloading, I will add them to the mod manager. Should only take a second. They're not terribly big. Okay, so once those files are done downloading, I'm going to click the add button here in the upper left-hand corner of the mod manager. I'm going to go to wherever I downloaded them to, and then I'm going to just double-click the one that I want to install, and that'll automatically add it to this list of installed mods. I'm going to add the gray one now, and then once these are in here, there's a couple things to note. The ones that are checked are the ones that are currently active. You can activate or deactivate them as you need to in order to figure out which ones are potentially broken if your game keeps crashing after you've modded it with new mods. If you want to remove them, click the trash can button, and to completely clean out everything just to make sure nothing's conflicting, you click Purge to remove everything and all of its associated files. Right now, I just have these two, so I'm going to click Deploy, and that's going to get them ready to launch, and then I'm going to click Launch Helldivers 2. You have to launch the game through the mod manager in order to have your mods load. If you don't want mods, or you think something's wrong and you just want to play with your friends, just launch it normally through Steam. And then just go ahead and click Launch Helldivers 2. So it helps in this particular case that I was already testing these mods before making this video. You can see that they are already working because I'm already wearing the armor. The way that this works is if you go into your armory and you say, like, have random junk equipped to your character, All you have to do to find this armor is go inside of here, go to the armory, and then just find the coloration of the mod that you want to wear. There's a few different variations in here because the Helldivers 2 armor shares some models between them. You can grab what you want. You can go sleeves, no sleeves, kind of a mix of colors here, and equip it, and then go over to the helmet, same thing. You can equip it as well, and there's also a black version hiding in here somewhere as well. And then there you have it. That is the Space Marines armor meets Helldivers. It makes you look like a fancy Space Marine. Keep in mind that this is just a cosmetic change. Only you can see this. Nobody else is going to see this. So if you want your friends to share in the experience, you will have to share the mods with them and how to get them installed. Some notes about conflicting mods. Mods that are trying to replace the visuals on the same item may cause conflicts and cause the game to crash, have performance issues, or one of them just won't load. Some mod packs, especially weapons, also come with a sound pack you'll need to install separately in order to have them sound just as cool as they look. And sometimes mods will not crash you initially on startup if there is some type of conflict. They will only crash you when you say, have a stratagem like the big hell bomb that sounds like an anime character screaming explosion. Some mods like those will only cause you to crash when it's trying to play the alternate sound file in the middle of a mission. So when you're testing these mods, it's a good idea to go into the mission and test them out before you try to play with your friends, because nothing sucks more when you're trying to play with your friends and your mods keep crashing you and you didn't pre-test them. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to quickly install Helldivers 2 Mod Manager and mod Helldivers 2. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, I'm not the go-to expert on this stuff, but I'll give you a hand if I can at answering some of the basic questions. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.